Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Mother's Day and I hope you all are having a wonderful Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to each and every one of you. Even those fathers that is playing both roles, mother and father, happy day to y'all too, because you guys are, so we're headed out. I gotta pick up Kevin and then we're gonna go to the store. We're gonna go to my mom's and we're gonna celebrate Mother's Day. And I can honestly say now that I can actually celebrate it because I'm in my kids' life. Just because I gave birth to them and I'm a mother, it's something that you have to earn. I want to say you got to earn these things to be a mother. You cannot just be a mom because you just gave birth, So I can actually celebrate it now, All right. Okay, so I got these for my sister. They're so pretty and pink. And then I just got her a little cupcake. And I'm gonna go give it to her now. Alright gang, so I just want to say, nothing in particular, but I just want to say sometimes in life, we're on earth for a short time. And 50 years, it's a short time. I'm still here 50 years, 80 years, 100 years. It seems like a short time. I mean, it seems like a long time, but it's actually a short time. So for me, I have a lot of things going on in my head sometimes, but I really try, and just stop being mad. Stop being mad at one another, and start talking to each other. Just talk to each other. If your words don't come out right, we all can deal with that, right? But talk to each other. Don't stay mad. Don't stay mad. Love one another. Don't stay mad. Don't go to sleep mad. Forgive if that's what you need to do, but talk to each other, communicate, because you know what, time is flying. Time flies so fast. Time flies. Another FYI thing, it's nice to just have someone just say, oh, happy Mother's Day, and make you feel a little bit special sometimes, like, I thought of you today, but not everybody communicates that way. Everybody has their own way of communicating. Like, for instance, my brother, he's a man of few words. Ever since we was growing up, he just man of few words, But I just saying, like, sometimes, I don't know. But communication is, for me, the number one thing. And respect out of each other. Right. Okay, so we got some barbecue, Korean barbecue we're gonna do today. Yeah, so I'm hungry already. So we got some bulgogi. We got some brisket, thin brisket. And this one is pork bulgogi. And then we also got cheese. Yep. We got some beans sprouts.
Okay, keep the pork on one.
And what is this called, Keanu?
Choy
Sum. It looks good. Yeah, and then of course Keanu's famous potato salad. This is the 27-year-old or the 40-year-old right here.
Oh, no.
No, just it's okay. Just put them on and let it cook. Smells good. So that's what's going on for now. I don't mean business. He just wants it all done right now, one time. What is that one? Oh, beef. We're waiting for the meat, so right now we're vegetarians. So I'm at home, so I'm gonna have my friends that are family to me. We're gonna have little pizza. We got some pasta here. Yeah, we were hungry or something. We got some pizza. Oh, that's like heavy. And then we got some more pizza. Okay, so these were half off today. You know, we got that, and we got this here. We got some cheese bread. These just feel like it's so heavy. So, and then we got Miss Nevaeh there. I'm gonna try and put her there because sometimes when I have friends over, it's hard with her. Nevaeh here. Give her a little piece. Hey guys, so this is the end of the day, the night. For the most part, I had a wonderful Mother's Day. I spent it with my mom, my family, and then my friends, so it was really nice. And then, of course, Nevaeh. Her. She doesn't want me to pet her hardly anymore. See? Okay. Yeah. So I think for Nevaeh, I don't know if I want to continue the gabapentin. Yeah. But I hardly give her that one, once in a while. But I think I'm not going to give her that one anymore. It's so sad that she has to be that way. You know? It's just sad. But anyway, I hope you all had a wonderful Mother's Day. Mine one was pretty nice, with the people, you know, that care about me, spent it with me. And yeah, so we'll see you all in our next video. Hope you guys enjoyed my vlog.